Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Anipel Quisada,
What is your age?
26 years old,
Which year were you born?
1988.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
In order to help my family financially.
What is your hometown?
Butuan City.
What is your level of education?
College graduate.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Do you have children?
No.
How many people are in your family?
8.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you have financial commitments to support them?
No.
Do you have any debts here or in your home country?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
Bonding with my coworkers.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
Yes.
For what?
Food, especially in shrimp and crabs.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
Just be patient and talk to him slowly.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Housework.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
Put an ointment.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
Be patient and talk to the baby slowly.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino food.
Are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What would you like to do during your spare time?
Singing and dancing.
Say your message to your employer.
I am willing to work. Please give me a chance to work with you.
Please sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the clouds so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.